Hello, awesome entrepreneur. It's Tash Corbin here, and welcome to another episode of the Heart Centered Business Podcast. This is episode number 198, which means that all of the show notes and relevant links can be found at tashcorbin.com/198. In today's episode, we're going to talk about how to make a profit quickly when you are starting a business. And it comes down to finding a sexy strategy that works for you. So let's jump right on into it. I'm Tash Corbin, and this is the Heart Centered Business Podcast. Okay, so ultimately, every business strategy can be boiled down into three core elements. Element number one, reach a bunch of people who are potential clients. Element number two, convert the appropriate ones into paying clients. And element number three, continuously support and nurture your mindset and energetic well-being, because a lot of the time our results come down to the fact that we are sabotaging ourselves and we're not doing the things that we need to do, we're procrastinating and all of those sorts of things. So I truly believe that mindset and energetic well-being need to form part of your core business strategy. But if we are talking about the key strategic decisions that you need to make about how you're going to grow your business and where your profit comes from, if we look at reaching people and converting people, most people when they first start a business think their number one job is to get reach, get in front of as many people as possible. The more people you get in front of, the more sales you're going to make, right? But that's actually not where profitability comes from, because reach is actually your biggest expense in your business. Reach is the biggest expense in your business. So when it comes to profitability, if you need to reach thousands and thousands of people in order to make the sales that you want to make in your business, then you're going to need to find those people. You're going to need to reach those people, and you will either need to do it through ads or organic strategies, and that will either take money or time. And even if you keep doing it purely through organic strategies, because you're investing your time, because it's taking time, you either need to use your time, which is an opportunity cost, or you pay for someone else's time, which is a cost. So if you think about a business that's starting up and you get in front of 100 people when you first start your business, and you get one sale from those 100 people, would it be smarter to go out and find another 100 people to make one more sale? Or would it be smarter to focus on your conversion strategies and make a sale with the people you already have access to? Now, this might sound counterintuitive, and it might sound like it goes against the grain of what a lot of other experts and marketers out there are telling you. But ultimately, the higher your conversion rate, the less people you need to reach, and therefore, the more profitable your business will be, because you're not needing to invest as strongly in that most expensive expense, the biggest expense, reach. So when people are working with me in startup, a lot of the time they find it really disconcerting. They're like, no. I need to reach more people with my Facebook page. No, I need to reach more people. I need to get more people watching my blogs. I need to have more people visit my website. And ultimately, yes, for scalable growth in your business, that is something that you want. But when you're first starting out and when you are looking to get to profit quickly, you are much more likely to do so if you focus on your conversion strategies over your reach strategies. So high conversion, how do we get this? How do we improve our conversion? How do we make more sales? Well, the number one factor in contributing to your conversion is connection. And this is why I think women are so much better at online business and can be so much more successful just by tapping into our innate strengths. Because no one connects like the ladies connect. And we don't connect over perfection and the sexy tools that we have and our perfect photo shoots and all of those sorts of things. For most women, we connect over the things that make us human. Our periods, nipple chafing, when you are breastfeeding your children, feeling frumpy in your dress, whatever it might be, all of those things actually make us connect with each other more deeply than any perfect Prada handbag ever will. And even when we do connect over the Prada handbag, we then are very quickly to reassure everyone we're still human. We're still just like everyone else. Now, there's a whole nother conversation about needing to be relatable and all of those sorts of things. But ultimately, what this means is that by tapping into your capacity to connect, you will be able to improve the level that you convert in your business. So instead of trying to focus on ways that you can reach hundreds and thousands of people and then sell to those hundreds of thousands of people and convert them in one-to-many models, for example, going and running Facebook ads that go out to thousands and thousands of people, sending emails that go out to your entire mailing list, and selling one-to-many, and then trying to deliver one-to-many, i.e. selling online courses, group programs, memberships, passive income products, all of those sorts of things. If you want to get to profit quickly, you will actually be more likely to do so by selling one-to-one and delivering one-to-one. That is where early profitability shines through, particularly for service-based businesses. So focusing on ways that you can create one-to-one connection with people and ways that you can deliver one-to-one VIP services and charge appropriately for those VIP services will maximize your profit in startup and get you to profitability faster than any of these high reach, low cost product strategies will. Think about it. In order to get one lead these days with Facebook ads, you're looking at least $5 in Facebook ad spend. If not 10, 15, I've even seen $20 and $30 being thrown around these days. So in order to get reach of one, in order to get one lead, you need to be investing at least $5. And in order to get that one lead, you probably have to reach 100, 150, 200 people. And so if you do the math on all of that, in order to get that lead, and then you need 100 leads to make a sale using the rule of 1%. So you need to spend $500 on your reach in order to make one sale. Even if your VIP service when you first start out is $1,000, having that 1% conversion rule means that you would need to spend $500 in ads to make that $1,000 sale. So you've instantly halved your potential profit. Instead, what if you focused on getting out in front of 10 people, doing it organically, and having conversations with those 10 people? What are the odds that you're going to convert one of them into being a paying client with you by having that one-to-one connection? You get to understand them deeply, you get to understand what their challenges are, you get to understand what it is that they're looking for, and all of a sudden you can present a compelling message and a compelling offer that will help them achieve what is important to them and also help you make great money. It's a no-brainer to me, and yet still hundreds and hundreds of people starting businesses fail to see that this could be the smartest strategy for them. But not you, right? Promise me. So what I thought I would do is, if this sounds really good for you and you would like to start exploring low-cost reach strategies that are high connection and high conversion, I actually have a free training. It's called the $0 Facebook Marketing Plan. In this free training, I show you how you can use free strategies on Facebook to get high connected leads and have high converting sales conversations with them. The resource is completely free. It takes you about an hour and a bit. I call it an hour and a smidge to go through it. And in this, I'll be showing you how you can create highly connected reach through Facebook strategies that cost nothing. Now, wouldn't it be worthwhile trying that out? I think it would be worth investing a little bit of your time in order to get that outcome. You'll be able to find the link to sign up and register for free with the show notes for today at tashcorbin.com/198. Now, as always, if you've had any questions or ideas pop up in your mind as a result of listening to this podcast episode, Let's continue the conversation. I'd love to hear from you. Come on over to the Heart-Centered Soul-Driven Entrepreneurs Facebook group. Use the hashtag #PodcastAha. Tell me you've been listening to episode number 198, and I'd love to hear what your questions are, any light bulb moments that have happened for you, and let's continue the conversation over there. Thank you so much for joining me for this episode of the Heart-Centered Business Podcast. I've been Tash Corbin. You have been a fabulous listener, and until next time, I cannot wait to see you shine. Bye for now. Would you like more tips, tools, and resources to help you grow your heart-centered business? Head to tashcorbin.com today.